Hi students, today we are discussing about a very important topic in current electricity. Current electricity is nothing but each and everyone knows it is a very high weightage chapter in second year, both NEET and mains level. So in NEET and mains level, very simple questions are given in current electricity. Especially today we are discussing about resistance. Today we are discussing about resistance of a resistor. This is a particularly second year topic, very important topic. In mains level also, online point of view, time is very important. In mains and NEET point of view, one resistor is given. What is the resistance value is asking. So that is the finding the resistance value, how they are. So first of all, what is resistor? Resistor is nothing but device. Resistor is nothing but device. What is device? This device obeys the resistance phenomenon. The device obeys the resistance phenomenon. What is resistance phenomenon? Resistance phenomenon is nothing but opposing. Which one is opposing? Opposing the flow of charges in a given conductor. So practically resistor is manufacturing by using the element is carbon. So the resistance manufacturing by using the material is carbon. So simply it is called as carbon resistor. Simply it is known as carbon resistor. In practical point of view, resistor block diagram is existed like this. For resistor there are existing two terminals, left side terminal and right side terminal. So here two terminal device is the resistor. In that resistor there are four bands of colors are there. First band, second band, third band and fourth band. The starting three bands are existed side by side and fourth band is existed end of the resistor. In practical point of view, you have one resistor is given. That resistor must be held in physics point of view by using left hand like this. Suppose this is a resistor. You must hold this resistor by using left hand like this. So like this. So according to the left hand, this way, in left hand side three bands of colors are coming and fourth color is going to the outside. So in left hand there is three bands of colors. Depending on three bands of these bands of color, you can give the value of resistance. So you can give the value of resistance by using these colors, nothing but these color bands. These color bands. By using these color bands, you can give the two types of resistance values. Two types of resistance values. What are those? One is fixed value resistance. Fixed value resistance. Second one is variable resistance. In circuit point of view, the fixed value resistance is represented by in this way. The variable resistance is shown in the circuit like this. One arrow is passing head. So where is the arrow is existed, that is called as variable resistance. What is variable resistance? In this variable resistance they give the range value. Range is nothing but you must mention the low value to high value. These values are representing or calculating by using the color bands. What are color bands? So in this color bands, what is the fixed value resistance? For fixed value resistance, you need three colors. For fixed value resistance, we required how many color bands? We required first three bands of colors. First three bands of. Based on first three bands, you can give the fixed value resistance. That is the first one. What about variable resistance? You can give the variable resistance. Variable resistance. They required complete four bands of colors. Complete four bands of colors. Four bands of colors. Especially the fourth band on the resistor. This fourth band gives the tolerance value. According to the physics language, fourth band resistance color is gives the tolerance value. In our language, tolerance is nothing but they can give the range value. That range value mainly depending on fourth band. The starting three bands are used to determine the fixed value resistance. Once you know the fixed value resistance, based on fourth band of color, you can clearly explain the variable resistance. This is the basic introduction about the resistance. So out of the resistance, on the practical point of view, every resistance consisting of how many bands are there? Three bands of three, especially four bands of colors are there. First three bands are using to determine the fixed value resistance. Complete four bands are used to determine the variable resistance. In entire world, complete world, any physics or electronics faculty must explain the color code of the resistance based on standard statement. What is that? The standard statement used to easily remembering the colors of the bands. Easily remembering about the colors of the band. Every faculty member within the world, each and every member must use standard statement. That statement used to easily identify the colors on the resistor on practical point of view. Color on the resistance with respect to practical point of view. That statement is to know the identify the colors by using the standard statement is B.B. Roy is a Great Britain. He has a very good wife. Not only India, entire the world, each and every country, faculty of physics must use the statement is B.B. Roy is a Great Britain. He has a very good wife. This statement used to identify the colors on the resistor. Especially this statement used to identify the first three bands of colors. What are those? According to the giving the numbers starting with 0. I am writing the statement. Some words, some letters are in bold, nothing but capital letters. Giving the numbers starting with 0. First B, 0, B, 1, R, 2, O, 3, Y, 4, G, 5, B, 6, B, 7, G, 8, W, white. So Totally, I am giving the 9 numbers according to the statement starting with 0 to 9. Totally, how many colors are there? Entirely 10 colors are there. So, in these 10 colors, out of these 10 colors, any 3 colors are existing in first band or second band, otherwise third band. Nothing but first 3 bands of colors existing these 10 colors. Out of these 10 colors, any 3 colors are existing. So, what are those colors? Each and everyone knows W. W is nothing but white. What is the opposite color of white is black. So, go to the starting. First color is black. Easily identified. Black and white, exactly opposite. After black, again B is there. That B nearer to black color is brown. Each and every one red. R is nothing but red color. O, it is a fruit also, orange. Y, it is yellow, yellow, dirty yellow. Yellow. G, evergreen, green. B, blue. V, violet. G, grey color. These are the colors. Totally, how many colors are there? Totally 10 colors are there. These 10 colors are used in first 3 bands of colors in resistor. So, based on these colors and these numbers, you can identify the resistance of a fixed value resistor. How to know the fixed value resistor? Suppose you have one resistor like this, one resistor like this. These have different colors. I am writing only 3 colors based on these 3 colors you can explain the fixed value resistance. So according to out of these 10 colors you can take any 3 colors. So number of times I have repeated the colors is red, orange. So once you know the colors, immediately you can give the numbers of the colors. Red number is 2, red number is 2, orange number is 3. Based on these 3 numbers, you must write the number is the starting 2 numbers are combined to give the double digit number. That is, double digit number is nothing but 22. You must combine the first 2 numbers. The 2 numbers are combined, they give the double digit number. And third color of band is written in the powers of 10. So 22 into 10 power 3. What is the basic unit of resistance? Basic unit of resistance is ohm. So according to the objective purpose, the answers must be expressed in terms of kilo ohms. What is kilo ohm? 1 kilo ohm is nothing but 10 power 3 ohms. Here 10 power 3 is there. So immediately you can write the answer is 22 kilo ohms. That is the fixed value resistance. There is no value changes. Based on starting 3 colors, they can give the fixed value resistance. In a similar way, one more resistor can be taken. That resistor is like this. Orange, yellow, green. Orange number is 3. Yellow number is 4. Green number is 5. So based on these numbers, first 2 numbers can be written in the double digit number, that is 34 into third band of color is written in the powers of 10 like this, 10 power 5. What are the unit? Ohm. This can be written as 34 into 10 cube into 10 power 2 ohms. 10 power 3 ohms can be written as kilo ohms. So 34 into 10 power 2, nothing but 3400. 10 power 3 ohms can be written as kilo. In this way, you can write the fixed value resistance. So out of these 10 colors, the starting 3 bands are existent. Based on three bands of colors, you can explain the fixed value resistance. So, the starting three bands mainly representing or easily identifying by using the statement is B.B. Roy is a Great Britain. He has a very good wife. Based on this statement, you can easily calculating or express the fixed value resistance. What about the variable resistance? Variable resistance have how many colors are required? They have required complete 4 colors are there. So the fourth band of color, especially fourth band of color. The first three bands are existing. Out of 10, any 3 colors are vacant. The fourth band of color consisting of 3 colors. Those colors are very interesting to especially girls and females point of view. The first color is gold, second color is silver, and third color is no color, which is indicated by NC. So gold is, its value can be taken as plus or minus 5%, silver can be taken as plus or minus 10%, no color is plus or minus 20%. This is existed in fourth band of color. This fourth band of color gives the tolerance value. Tolerance value. Nothing but they give the low value and high value. Suppose these colors are existing in sum of time third band of color. Suppose this color is existing in third band. This gold color can be taken as third band is nothing but powers of 10. That powers of 10 is nothing but gold can be taken as 10 power minus 1. Silver can be taken as 10 power minus 2. Sum of times they are giving in the third band of color. So third band of color is existing gold. You can write the powers of 10, that is 10 power minus 1. Silver is existing in third band of color, that value is 10 power minus 2. Based on this, you can easily give the value of resistance. So carbon resistor consisting of complete 4 bands like this. Starting 3 bands are existing left side, fourth band is existing on the right side. What are the colors are given? Here first color is yellow, second color is red, third color is blue, fourth color is silver. According to the data, yellow number is 4, red number is 2, blue is nothing but blue value is 6, silver tolerance value plus or minus 20%. So first of all you write the fixed value resistance. Based on these 3 numbers, first 2 numbers are written in the form of double digit number, that is 42. The third band of color is written in the powers of 10. The basic unit is ohms and plus or minus 20% in the option which is existed. Out of this option is not there, another option is existed in terms of kilo ohms, nothing but 42 into 10 power 3 kilo ohms plus or minus 20. Silver, what is the value? Silver value is plus or minus 10% only, no color is plus or minus 20. Silver plus or minus 10%, 10%, 10%, which is existing in the option. This is very important one. Some of the time this question is also given in advanced level, especially for MP system. In advanced level, these two options are not existed. The option is existed in low and high value of resistance. What is the low value? Here giving plus or minus 10%. So first of all you can write this value is 42,000 kilo ohms plus or minus 10%. So you can find out the 10% value of 42,000. The 10% value of 42,000 can be written as 42,000 into 10%, 10 by 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. The 10% value is 4,200. You can, which is existed in kilo ohms. So this value is adding and subtracting. So 42,000 minus 4,200 is the lowest value, and 42,000 plus 4,200 which gives the highest value. Nothing but 0, 0, 8, 11. 11 is nothing but 7, 37,800. Here you can add in 46,200. Then the range value is 37,800 to 46,200 kilo ohms, which is registered in the option. This is the range value. Otherwise, this value is not there. Out of these two, any value is there. This is the calculation or easily representing the color code. Based on color code, you can give the resistance value of the color, which is very, very important, and which is the very, very easy based on this shortcut method.